Quicken Simplifi is a user-friendly budgeting and financial tracking app for web, iOS, and Android, designed to simplify money management. It auto-imports transactions, tracks spending, and creates a flexible spending plan. A subscription costs $3.99 per month or $47.88 per year. Here's how to use it effectively. Sign up, visit simplifyquicken.com, or download the app. Create an account with email and payment details. Link accounts, connect bank, credit card, investment, and loan accounts via secure Plaid integration. This pulls transactions and balances instantly. Key features: spending plan. From the dashboard, view auto-detected income, bills, for example utilities, and subscriptions. Add planned expenses like groceries, let's say $300 a month. Simplifi subtracts these from income, showing leftover for discretionary spending. Adjust in real time. Track transactions. Transactions auto-categorize, e.g., dining. Edit or split if needed. Exclude transfers, credit payments to avoid double counting. Set goals. Under savings goals, create targets, for example, $1,000 emergency fund. Allocate monthly contributions. Track progress visually. Reports. View spending by category, merchant, or trends under reports for insights, like overspending on coffee. Alerts. Enable notifications for low balances, overspending, or bill due dates.